Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to wallpaper and style. After that click here to browse my wallpapers. Here we can see the photos from our device gallery or downloaded from the internet. Unfortunately I have noticed any photos here, so let's take a picture right now. Okay, now let's go back. Now we can see here our just recent photos here and the camera stock photos. Also we can see here all the default photos and the different just graphical. Also we can use here downloaded Galaxy tabs. For example, let's use one from these wallpapers. Just tap here to this wallpaper, select only lock screen, click to preview, so then tap here to done, and we can see that changes applies to lock screen. So now let's check it, and as can you see, that's so simple. Also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your device screen with your finger, and then on the left down corner you'll see wallpaper and style icon. Click here once, and by the same way just tap to browse my wallpapers. Let's use for example this one. Just select only lock screen and tap to preview, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.